Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to turn on or off activate window by hovering over with mouse in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Ease of Access Center. Click Make the mouse easier to use. Check Activate a window by hovering over it with the mouse. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.